Hi AnyFans, I'm Carol from Customer Support and I'm here to show you how to create your first smart trade. So to create your first smart trade, you must have connected your favorite exchange first. Before creating your positions, I recommend reading or watching each automation tutorial to fully understand how they work, since I'm not going to detail them in this video. Creating a trade through any is very simple and can be done by dragging the lines right from the TradingView chart. So let's create a trade together. To start, define the exchange, the account, and the coin to trade. For the entry mode, you can choose between market entry in range, DCA limit, or advanced DCA. I'm going to leave the link to the Help Center article that explains the difference between them in the description of this video. Now let me drag the lines and adjust a little bit. As for targets, you can add up to 5, but since this one it's a getting started trade, let's keep it simple and create just one. And the last thing you need to set is the stop loss. Once the trade is created, set up your trading strategy and let any monitor the order booking and take actions on your behalf. By selecting the Automation tab, you have access to your global settings and can edit the auto stop, trailing take profit, and take profit. This configuration can be remembered for future trades, just check the box. The automation strategy may or may not be related to the price targets used to build a signal. You have the option to configure your strategy based on the signal's target or profit percentage. You can check the difference by reading or watching the automation tutorials. Then click on Next, select Invest and set the investment. That is how much of your total balance you want to be allocated to this trade. After submitting, you can find your trade under the Position tab, and if you click on it and scroll down, you can find the signal's timeline and see everything that has happened for the signal. And that's it. We have created a trade very easily, dragging the lines right from the chart. Bye-bye. If you have any question, remember to go to the Help Center page and feel free to contact our support anytime.